everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am hosting along with two of my fabulous sisters, Create with Cindy and Easy Living with Elle. We are hosting the New Year's Tablescape for 2019. Now guys, this is an open invite to anyone that wanted to participate. All we asked was that you share your New Year's tablescapes. We did not throw in any challenges, any twists. We just wanted to keep it simple and wanted to see what you came up with. Now guys, this year I did two. I did a buffet on my kitchen island that I will share with you. And right now I am standing over my New Year's tablescape. So I'm throwing in a bonus, whether it's the kitchen island or the tablescape. But I want to share these with you and hope that you are inspired to do this as well. So we will just jump right in.
So right now I will share with you my New Year's buffet on my kitchen island. Right here I'm showing you how I had it set up for Christmas. So I'm going to transform it using some of the items that I use for Christmas in my New Year's buffet. This server here is something I keep on my island all the time pretty much. I use these dishes here, these serving dishes. All of them were thrifted. They're by Godinger, and I like putting these plates, also thrifted, to hold my serving utensils. Now I'm using these chafing dishes. I love having chafing dishes used on buffets because it keeps your food warm. I also have these picks here from Hobby Lobby that I picked up after the season this year. I have my acrylic deer here along with these bling trees sitting atop my riser that I made. This riser was inspired by my girl, my sissy, Be My Guest with Denise. Under that riser I do have greenery for decorative purposes there, just to cover any dead space there. But I love setting up a buffet like this. Perfect. Now to change my Christmas buffet to a New Year's, I'm going to use these masks here that I picked up from Dollar Tree in the silver and gold. And Dollar Tree usually puts these out around New Year's or the week after Christmas. As far as my riser here, I'm going to put this three-tiered stand there on this riser, and it's going to house my beautiful bling glasses. These are new that I picked up from Ross for $4.99 each. I picked up a set of 6, but I'm not going to use all of them here. These will house like a pasta salad on this tiered tray here. The second set of bling glasses I already had, but they did have, Ross had those as well. Those will house some fruit, different types of fruit in those glasses. And these appetizer spoons, aren't they cute? I picked them up from Hobby Lobby, and they will house like a meatball with some pasta sauce or tomato sauce. These serving bowls I also picked up from Hobby Lobby clearance. I think this past year. I knew I wanted them because they were trimmed in silver and they were a white dish. White dishes always make your food pop even more. So I have 3 smaller ones and 2 larger ones that I am setting atop of this riser. And guys, here is my buffet set up for the new year. Not only is it beautiful, but it has lots of function to it.
Perfect, perfect.
Alright guys, and here is my New Year's table for 2019. It's more on the glitzier side and I'm loving it, so I'm going to take you in for a closer look. Starting at the heads of the table, I've done the settings in silver with the exception of the pillow in my chairs there. Have my glass with the bling. The placemat, something I've already had. Actually, each item here is things that I already had, other than purchasing a few more of these masks from the Dollar Tree. The charger is from Efavormart. The plate is from Home Goods. The napkin ring is from Totally Dazzled. The napkin is something I already had, and I placed a little feather there on the side just to give me some more glitz. But I think this setting is beautiful. My glasses are different, And now that I've done this table here, I know I have to collect a few more to make my settings complete. So I'm making note of that, but it is okay when you don't have enough glasses and plates. It's okay to mix and match. It still turns out great. I'm going to show you the gold ones. The gold settings are in the center. Here's the gold setting. The glass is different from that one there. It's okay. The only thing that's different, I did use the same placemats around the table here. The plate charger has the gold beading versus the silver beading. The plate is also from Home Goods. Napkin ring is from napkin ring is from Totally Dazzled, but I use the same concept, just in gold. Gold feather, gold mass. There's my chair there. Guys, I never know how my tables are going to turn out. I just have a vision in mind of the things that I want to use, and I play with it and go from there. And I pretty much, again, shop my home for items. Now the center of my table, serving as the centerpiece, I have my 2 bling candle holders. Again, I shop my home. I've had these for a couple of years now. And I picked up these huge picks from Hobby Lobby after the season. This year, that is something new on my table. And got them at 66% off. And I just added the clock ornament. I've been using them for years as well as the keys. I have some bling napkin rings inserted in there from my girl Christy C. And I've used some gold and silver photos from the Dollar Tree. And it repeats on the other side, guys. The runner itself up underneath, the silver runner, came from Burlington last year. I left my bling in the corner from Christmas, from my Christmas tablescape. And right here I just added 2 candlesticks with my 3-tiered stand. Using silver and gold. But guys, that is my tablescape, my New Year's tablescape for this collaboration. New Year's tablescape for 2019.
Well, that is the end of this video. I would like to thank Create with Cindy and Easy Living with Elle for being such gracious hostesses. Collaborating together was a blast. Please go by and check out these fabulous ladies' channels, as well as the playlist, which will be listed in my description box down below. This playlist will have some very talented people for you to be inspired and enjoy their creativity. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click that notification bell up top there so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. The best is yet to come in 2019. Happy New Year, everyone. Be inspired and be blessed.